Hello everyone, I have this fire sensor and have a buzzer. In this video we'll see how we can use this fire sensor. Coming to the polarity, this is the positive, this is the negative, and this is the output, and this is the positive and this is the negative. First we'll connect positive and the positive. Buzzer negative wire will connect to the sensor output terminal. This is the positive terminal. We'll connect this to the positive terminal. And this is the negative. It is ready now. To check this, we need a fire source. You can see when I take fire in front of the sensor, the buzzer is activating.